Alright. Required weekly test is supposed to be issued, so let me do this. Turn you on. Do that. And then 3, 2, 1. Tone.
Weather Radio Alberta has a message to broadcast. The signal that you just heard was a test of Weather Radio Alberta Station Highvale. Tests of these signals will be conducted on Wednesdays of each month at 5 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. If there is severe weather or the creator of the service isn't sure, the test will be postponed to 5:25 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Thank you for using Weather Radio Alberta. This concludes the required weekly test.
Which one? Which one's still... Oh, you went off! That's nice. I guess All Reliable went off. RCA Radio went off. Pause that.